your rear view mirror is lying to you. Or at least it is limited by whatever junk you have crammed into your back seat. We have all been there. You are trying to merge into a tight lane while a mountain of camping gear or a tall passenger completely blocks the view behind the car. That is where this new wave of mirror cameras steps in to save the day. You just strap this 12-inch screen right over your existing glass. Suddenly, your rear view is a high-definition video feed. It comes from outside the vehicle. It is a game changer for anyone driving a massive SUV or a truck. In those vehicles, blind spots feel like black holes. Out of the box, the package feels generous. You get the navigation tracking unit and a 64GB memory card included. Those items usually cost extra with the big-name brands. The setup looks sleek. It keeps your dashboard clean. But the real story is hidden in the fine print of the technical specs. Everyone is talking about how this device brings round-the-clock security and advanced driver assistance to your vehicle. In theory, having a camera tell you if you are drifting out of your lane sounds great. It can even warn you if you are getting too close to the car in front. In reality, most people find the constant beeping and alerts so sensitive that they end up digging through the menus to turn them off. It only takes about an hour of driving to get tired of the noise. The daytime video quality is genuinely impressive. Daytime footage lets you read license plates with zero struggle. The way it handles direct sunlight is a huge plus. However, things get a bit murky when the sun goes down. The rear camera drops to a lower frame rate at night. It runs at about 25 frames per second. The clarity just is not there compared to the front-facing lens. It is fine for seeing who is behind you. Just do not expect cinematic masterpieces in a dark parking lot. Speaking of parking, there is a catch that the marketing materials tend to bury. If you want that parking monitor to actually work while your engine is off, you have to buy a separate hardwire kit. Without that extra piece of hardware, the camera just goes to sleep when you pull the key. Then there is the biggest point of contention. The box proudly shows that this is an ultra-high-definition device. But if you actually look at the pixel count, it sits firmly in the 2.5K range. That is a massive difference in detail. It matters when you are trying to zoom in on a specific license plate. It is still much better than standard high definition. Still, calling it true 4K is a bit of a stretch. For the price point, it is still a solid value for people who need that digital mirror functionality. This is especially true in longer vehicles. It modernizes the driving experience in a way that feels futuristic. Just know that you are getting a reliable tool with a few quirks rather than a professional-grade camera. If you can live with the average night vision and the extra cost of the power kit, it makes the daily commute feel a lot safer. It is all about knowing what is real and what is just branding.